then part 3 has now given us another set of points and wants us to calculate R. So we're going to need to draw up a table of our X values and Y values and rank them. So the rank, this first value for X is also the first value for Y. This value for X is the second smallest, and it's also the second smallest for Y. Same for this value here, that's the third smallest for X and the third smallest for Y. This is the fourth smallest for X, but the fifth smallest or the biggest for Y, and this one similarly is the biggest for X but the fourth smallest for Y. So if I then take that table and just makes a bit more room, I can now perform the Spearman's rank calculations on this set of data. So to do Spearman's rank, we need the D values, the differences, and we need to square the differences. So differences are going to be 0 for most of these, but we're going to have 1s for that. Notice I don't need to worry about doing -1 for either of these, because when we square them they become positive anyway. So that gives me a sum of D squared of 2. So adding up the D squared values. RS, the equation for RS is 1 minus 6 lots of D squared over the n value times n squared take 1. So for our particular set of data, that's going to be 1 minus 6 lots of 2 over, there was 5 data values, so 5 times by n squared is 5 squared, so times by 25 take 1, so 24. So I'm going to type all that in on my calculator. I probably could cancel this down in my head, but can't be bothered. 6 times 2 over 5 times 24. So that gives me a 0.9 value for RS.